Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to Grow It Girl. If you're new here, my name is Megan. I live in Barrie, Ontario, which is Zone 5B. Today, we're going to be chatting about some dollar store dupes and some items that I have been repurposing. I'm so excited for this topic because I love a good deal. So without further ado, grab your cup of coffee or a glass of wine and let's get started. Before we begin, let me just say that I used Amazon and Home Depot as my comparison stores. Now, Home Depot doesn't have a wide variety of their garden stuff out yet, but I tried my best. So for each category, I have one thing from Amazon or Home Depot, a dollar store dupe, and then most of them have a repurposing item. So let's jump right in. The first thing is the Amazon seed trays. Now, sometimes they come with some peat pellets and sometimes they just come empty where you can put your own dirt in. There's a crazy amount of prices for these ones. It depends on how many cells they are, how big they are. But the ones that I have here, they're ranging between $20 and $30. The dollar store dupe for these ones are these packs. They're $1.25. They come with 15 in them. And then also you can buy the 5-pack of trays, which is actually being used right now. And those are just a couple bucks as well. These have worked perfect for me. None of them have ripped or broken. And they're actually perfect because I'm going to be selling these things locally. So I can just grow them in these pots and then sell them just like that. So like I said before, you can pretty much start your seeds in anything, but I have a few ideas here for you. So the first one is these yogurt containers that have been cleaned out. You can pop a couple holes in the bottom, put your soil in, plant some seeds, and you're good to go. For added support, you can create these domes out of water bottles. Just put it on top. I also have the other half, and there you go. The second idea that I had was, I actually posted on my Instagram this week. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do that after this video. But it's this muffin container. I said I was going to plant in it, but motherhood took priority. So we didn't get that done this week, but hopefully this upcoming week we'll be able to plant our Brussels sprouts in here. Now you put again, you have to poke some holes in the bottom, plant your soil, put your seeds in, and you have a dome right on top, which is perfect. So once your plants are in the garden, sometimes near the beginning of the season or near the end of the season, you'll have to protect your plants just because of the cold weather. Those are protected by either, tarps or domes or anything like that. So I found a few. The ones on Amazon were 12 for $33.99. which is extremely high for a piece of plastic. I will not be buying that. But a few items that I have here are the dollar store ones. So it comes in a pack of 5 for $2.50, which is not too bad. You just put them on top and it protects them from the wind and keeps some of the heat inside. Another option is water jugs. You can use this one or even the bigger ones that go onto water coolers. I just cut out the bottom and you can pop it on top and it would protect your plants. So the next category is ties. So this is for when you are growing vertically and you are trying to tie up your plants to either, cattle panel or posts or anything like that. The one online I found was about $3.99, but again, there's so many different prices for these things. This one I found at Dollar Tree for $1.25, and it's pretty much exactly the same thing. Another option for repurposing is pantyhose. You can cut up pantyhose and tie your plant to the post. You have to be really careful with this one because you don't want anything that you're using to tie your plant to damage the stem. So making sure that there's lots of room for the plant to keep growing and there's no irritation on the stem. So the next item that we're going to talk about is a hanging pot. Now, there is one online for $10.97, which is not too bad. This one I have is a little bit smaller than it, but this one was $1.25. I'm going to try and plant a tomato plant out of this. So that will be one of my experiments for this year. Very excited to try this out and we'll see how it goes. So the next topic is seeds. Now, there is a wide variety of seed companies and prices for seeds, but the ones that I have here are kind of the two extremes. So I got this one from Indigo. It was a present. Very aesthetically pleasing. And inside they have sticks with seeds that are like glued onto them. Now there's a lot of flaws with this. Number one, it's extremely expensive for like 10 seeds per stick. Would not recommend. The other flaw is that usually in pots I would plant, 2 seeds in each pot and then and split them if they both germinated. These ones I can't split 10 seeds or 10 plants because they're so close together. I would disrupt the roots and it just wouldn't work. So that is one option. The other one is the dollar store dupe, and it comes with 4 seed packs for $1.25. They have, herbs and vegetables and fruit, flowers, all these different options. And so I would definitely suggest going to your local dollar store and seeing what they have to offer before buying this one. Now, I'm still going to plant these and we're still going to try them out because I'm not going to waste the $12.50, right? The last category is this fence pot. Now, I had a hard time finding a comparison and the prices were outrageous. There's one that I found that was $29.98. There was one that was $26, and then a much smaller one was $7.95. This one was from the dollar store, Dollarama, and is $4. It is quite large and it's gonna go right on my fence. I'm going to put some herbs in here. I actually got 2 of them. I wish I got 10 more to just line my fence. Maybe I'll go back. But what a great deal. It has drainage holes and everything and an awesome size. So that, I saved the best for last and I'm super pumped about that find. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. If you'd like to see future videos, don't forget to subscribe. It was so nice hanging out with all of you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.